Hey guys, Richard here. Hey, it's been a little while since we put out a video. Yeah, it's unfortunate, right? But that's just how it goes sometimes. We've been real busy behind the scenes. We got things going on. Yeah, and things have slowed down a lot too. You know what? Crazy slow. Let me show you some things. Yeah, crazy slow around here because, bikes just aren't coming in as much anymore. Probably part of it is because we're just too honest with our reviews and we tell people what we think, and manufacturers don't like that. We knew that was going to be a problem for us eventually, and it's slowly starting to catch up to us. Manufacturers are being reluctant to send things to us for that reason, but that's okay. Hey, if it's junk, we told you it's junk, and that's happened more than once. Another problem is, there's just so many people that jumped on the bandwagon to try to get free e-bikes. They created all those YouTube channels to talk about e-bikes, and a lot of those guys are fraudulent, so just be aware of that. They pay for their subscribers, pay for their views, just to get free bikes, and that's unfortunate because that's really siphoned off, bikes for legitimate channels like mine here. So yeah, it is what it is. Corruption everywhere, right? Not too much we can do about it, at least. But that's okay, because we had plans, and we got plans in the work behind the scene. Can't share everything with you yet, but yeah, we're gonna continue moving forward, so we're excited about that. Oh, where you going, Toby? Toby decided to go for a walkabout. All right, buddy. But hey, look at all this space in here. We got rid of some stuff recently too. Kind of got tired of all the tripping over our bikes and stuff, and so we sold off some things. Let me show you what we've got, because yeah, we still got Mrs. Adventure's Moon Cool for now. We might be changing things up there too. Yeah. We have the brand new 630 Fat Tire Simple Glide. We got the Thin Tire Simple Glide over there, although that one is for sale. No takers yet. We have the Meet One, of course, my favorite Meet One tour. We've got the Electric X-Peak for the bike. We have the Electric Expedition for a bike. We got the blue in there, which is the Truxus Lynx Pro 2.0 Pro. I think they call it Pro, don't remember. The red one back there is Amanda's Truxus Explorer, and then Devon's Mach Wheel Obsidian. We have another 630 right there. And I still have the Magicycle a little bit longer. That's the Ocelot Pro 2.0. So that's all we have in the garage. We have really sold off some things, got rid of some things because we were just kind of tired of, like I said, tripping over bikes, and we're not riding a lot of this stuff, and so we kept the things that we're riding, got rid of everything else. I'm enjoying the space. Yeah. Mrs. Adventure has something being delivered today though, so that's going to take up some space for at least a few days. She's got this large piece of furniture thing that she bought online that's for craft rooms. Some of you guys have seen it. It's like a giant wall unit for crafting supplies, and it's got tons of drawers and cabinets, and anyway, that's being delivered later today. That's going to be a project, getting that into the house. These Yahoo delivery company, they said, oh, we're going to drop it in your driveway. I said, okay, well, how about you just set it right here? Driveway, garage, driveway, garage. Can you set it in the garage? And they said, yeah, we offer that service for an extra $50. So I was going to tell them to, I won't tell you what I was going to tell them. But the point is, I was going to decline that offer. Hey, neighbor. I was going to decline that offer and say no thanks, but not knowing if it'd be raining the day that it was finally showing up, not knowing if I'd be able to drag it into the garage by myself or not, we opted to pay the extra $50. So I got space for them here, and just so happens, I'm going to be gone anyway today. I'm going to be headed out with some friends to go riding, so when it shows up later, that $50 is going to be well spent, because they're going to set it right here inside the garage for Mrs. Adventure. Then we're going to have to assemble, try to get this thing in the house. You know how it goes. Look at the mess, man. Things have been out of control here for a while. Seems like it's more out of control than what it is in control, right? I need to do some cleanup. Yeah, craziness around here. But anyway, so that was just a quick update, letting you know that I'm still alive. I'm still kicking. We still got things cooking. We just don't put out videos as much anymore because we don't have new bikes, so we're still going riding. I have produced videos that didn't get published for one reason or another, and we still go riding a couple times a week. Me and Ron, me and the family. Speaking of Ron, Ron's not going with me today. That's unfortunate. He couldn't make it today. He had something else planned. That's too bad. We'll go again soon, Ron. I'm a little hyped up today. I feel hyped up. I don't drink caffeine. Well, I don't drink coffee, I should say that. I drink a soda with caffeine, but that's usually one for lunch. But today, I know what it is. I had a sugary muffin for breakfast for some reason. Why did I eat that stupid thing? Yeah, blueberry muffin from Costco. Have you ever had one? They're quite yummy. Yeah, so I'm hopped up on sugar. Guys, I guess that's going to be it. So Toby and I are going to sign off because I got to get finished loaded up so I can get going. You guys, yeah, thanks for being subscribers. Thanks for helping to make this channel a success for the last 2 years. Appreciate that. Stick around. More good stuff to come soon. I'll see you in another video real soon. Ride responsibly, ride safe.